Looking to turn off the feature that lets you see who views your TikTok profile? Here's how you can easily disable profile view history on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap on the three lines in the upper right corner to open the Settings and Privacy menu. Tap on Privacy. Look for the Profile Views option and open it. To disable this feature, tap on the toggle button next to it to turn it off. This will prevent you from seeing who views your profile, and others will no longer see when you view their profiles. And that's it. There's also a quicker way. Return to your profile page and tap on this icon. To turn off profile view history, click on the Settings button in the upper right corner. In the window that opens, tap the toggle button to turn it off and close the window. And you've successfully turned off profile view history on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.